Good afternoon from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where today I have the pleasure of showing you YOLO, a 2012 41 Sea Ray Sundancer. A lot of things have been upgraded and replaced on this boat. It is original upholstery. I see no rips or tears, everything looking good. Canvas was done about 2 years ago and is all fine. This boat has jail audio, speakers all over this cockpit. You do have the electric grill. The TV installs there and is downstairs. A wine bucket, trash chute, sink, and storage. There's a big subwoofer for the jail audio. The Cleopatra lounger to port, all looking good. Everything clean around all the windows. We can zoom in a little more here. This is a Zeus Pod boat. There is my joystick. Home seats looking good. Twin Ray Marine hybrid touch. The hours are 714 and 715. This boat is professionally maintained by Midwest Marine Services. My good friend Corey's company. They do excellent work if you're looking for a maintenance company. All right, you've got the mid cabin, which has a flip down table and converts to a bed. Those are the sun pads, which do the reclining thing on the bow. The 41 has two heads, big stainless steel upright refrigerator freezer. There's that aft head, and it has an opening port light. That is a wet head, but with the real shower head. Big bilge storage there, good drawer storage in the kitchen. This bed will convert also. Nice windows in the whole side. Master stateroom forward with a bifold door. They have their own TV. They have two opening port lights as well as an overhead hatch. This is the power bed that goes up and down. And Sea Ray gives you the cedar-lined hanging lockers, of course. Please check out all the still photos. Call Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax, 954-684-1375 to make this awesome Sea Ray Sundancer yours.